Hi everybody, this is Mary from Stampin' Camp with Mary and Mary's Stampin' Campings. It's there's Card Thursday today, and I want to show you this really cute card. Isn't that beautiful? We're going to be making this card, and what we're going to be using is we're going to be using the Sale-A-Bration Step Lasting Lily. We are going to be using Memento ink. For cardstock, this is Granny Apple Green, 8.5 by 5.5. Let me move this up so you guys can see this a little bit better. And we are going to use, this is called the Botanical Butterfly Sale-A-Bration paper. So we're using two Sale-A-Bration papers. Here they have one side is colored and one side is black and white. And what I did was, here's the, let's take these out. These are beautiful papers. What I have done was, you can color on this one. This is black and white, black and white. I colored this sheet, colored the whole sheet, and then what I did was I cut them in 4-inch strips, and then I cut them. I'll be cutting it in 4 by 5.25, so it fits perfectly on there. What else you're going to need is you are going to need the pretty label punch, some glue dots, and some Stampin Dimensionals, okay? Also, to color these, I used the Stampin Blends. Spent a whole night just coloring one whole page of this, okay? So, I mean, this is going to be relatively easy. I've already cut one, and you can color these anything you want. So, I am just going to, didn't think you wanted to let me show you how to color these. I'm sure you're capable of coloring them. And I like what they do on the back. They make a butterfly. So, see, look at that. So I'm just going to put this on. Then I've also got a scrap of Granny Apple Green. And I am just going to stamp, and I'm going to stamp the With Sympathy. I've had a couple of folks that they've had deaths in the family, and I kind of think that I need a few sympathy cards here. Okay. And then I'm just going to cut that out with the pretty label punch. Perfect size. And then I am going to attach this. Now you can use almost any color. You don't have to use Granny Apple Green. You can use almost any color with this. Just as long as it goes with what you've colored. Now I've got Granny Apple Green. I've got a bunch of, I like the Granny Apple Green right now just because I like bright colors right now. It's kind of springish colors. And then you just attach that right there. And let's see, let's bring this down. And there you have it. Now remember to follow me on YouTube, and please purchase everything you need down below. I do this for a living, so this is how I make my car payments or my trailer payments. And I really appreciate it if you could help me. Remember to buy small business, and this is the way you can help put food on the table and money in my pocket. So thanks for visiting, and happy stamping. Bye-bye.